EURUSD this week has not made any changes inside the price movement. We can see that the price is still between 1.09860 resistance level and also below a support 1.08846. So we can see that the indecision on the market is still active, and also the price could not make any movements. What we can see that the price on the Thursday that has tried to make a breakout to the upside, touching also above 1.1 the resistance level and also this monthly resistance trend line, and then price returned back down on the Friday, which also suggesting that the price could not find any strength also from the selling side and also from the buying side. On the weekly time frame, we can see that this looks similarly some kind of indecision candle, where we have this attempt for the price to make the movement to the upside and also to make a breakout. But what we can see after the bearish breakout has happened, the price has confirmed this bearish breakout to the downside as a valid one with this candle, where this candle has returned back up, confirming the previous support, now acting as a resistance, so the price has closed below down. So we go also on the monthly time frame, we will see that this also looks like a little bit a retrace after the price has made a breakout to the upside in the previous month. So we have 2 or 3 more weeks until this month ends, so everything's still open. So this could be also a confirmation of this bullish breakout if the price returns backs up. So what we can make a conclusion for this monthly time frame is that the price has touched the first support, and that is here 1.088, and also below that we have a second one 1.086, 1.083, that those are the next ones as support level if the price continues to fall down. So we can see that only on the weekly and also daily time frame much more clearly than this on the monthly time frame. What we have on the monthly time frame is that the price has made a breakout to the upside in the previous month, so it needs to be confirmed as a valid one. So that means that the price should return back up and close above 1.098 just to be on the safe side. If the price returns back down and closes, for example, like this here, this will mean that this bullish breakout has been valid as a false one, and the price will try to return back down. So for now, as it looks, everything is still open, so we should go to the weekly time frame and see how this looks. What we can see this week, this bearish breakout has been confirmed, so this means I'm expecting for the price to be around here and also returning back down around 1.0846. So everything is still open. If the price goes down and closes below this one, this will open the price going down even more up to 1.083, which is also a second support level I have mentioned on the monthly time frame. So if the price stays above 1.088, which means also above 1.086, which is the lower side of this demand zone, this will mean that buyers are still enough strong to remain the price on the upper side, and also there is also a possibility that the price turns back up. If the month ends above, which means above 1.09860, this will mean that the bullish breakout that has happened in the previous month will be validated as a valid one, and we will see the price trying to reach higher price levels. So for now, if we go to the also daily time frame, we'll see much more clearly that the price is inside this range area that needs to be broken to the upside or to the downside. So this is the weekly in the previous week what has happened, and also this has been confirmation for this bearish breakout to the downside, but also there is also possibility that the price will try again to make attempt to break above and also continue to move up in the following 3 weeks, which will be on the monthly time frame. But if the price stays down and also returns back down, closing below 1.086, this will mean that the next level is 1.083, and also below that, this is the start of this demand zone, which will mean around 1.07825. So everything is still open, which means we need to see how the price behaves between this resistance level and this support level. So the price needs to make a breakout of this range area. I'm also sharing a daily analysis inside the trading community, which the link you can find below the video inside the description. So if you would like to check also daily analysis, also what I'm expecting after the price makes a breakout, what are the targets, feel free to join and also see you inside. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.